Okay, now we're going. Okay, you guys ready to go? What are you gonna say?
Okay, this is our lava bomb. First run test of the erupting volcano workshop. I'm going to add the lava bomb into the volcano here. Let's see if I get it centered.
Yeah,
Just
that's
like
okay,
that.
Daddy.
Okay. All right, and then I have already created the mixture for foamy lava.
Which is water.
It's got some special stuff in there.
Oh,
All
What else is in there?
Let's pour it in there.
okay.
What's in there?
15 milliliters of water and 8 drops of lava foam.
Key.
It's right in there, right in there. Yep, just dump it quick, dump it quick.
Dump all of it, all of it.
Cool.
Pop.
And then back out
Back out.
so we can get it on film. Whoa.
Mommy?
I got it. I'm doing it for you. You watch the explosion itself.
I'm probably getting.
You might have to add some more in.
Subscribers or thumbs up on this or what?
You guys some
You
thumbs
want to
up
add
on this.
some more into it, so it'll maybe go a little bit more.
Because so far
Well,
I only have.
We're supposed to put a.
So far I only have 2,000 thumbs up. So.
That's pretty amazing.
So
but
we're supposed to put one ball in and then clean this out.
Yeah.
and then
and
what?
Put the other one in, but we crumple it up. And
I
see what the
would.
difference
Oh,
is.
there's only 2 that you can do. I thought it was 3.
You could do more or what?
There's a bunch more.
Oh, well, that's for another time. But I was just saying for this one, I didn't know if we could just put more of the
Well,
liquid
right now, I
mixture
just
in
made
right
it
now.
No.
No?
Yeah, it's got to be precisely.
Can
Oh,
I touch it?
yeah, you can touch it to explore, yeah. Okay, you want to say goodbye to your YouTubers? Tell them what it feels like, and then
No,
you can tell them.
we're still gonna do it, and we're still gonna do.
Oh, okay. So let's go clean it out then
It
with
needs
that.
to be cleaned out real quick.
You can go help him clean it? Ooh, it's very
So rinse off
foamy,
your
isn't it?
gloves. Come on.
Yeah.
Go rinse off with Dada so that then you guys can come back.
It's very like it's pretty much like.
They're
you
clean
can
enough.
Mommy,
Uh-huh.
this
Tell me all about it.
like this recording.
I am. Yep.
Okay,
I'm right here.
Aiden.
I need to go wash my gloves off. Could you hold real
Yeah.
quick?
I don't think you need to. You can go with Dada, baby, in there.
It's like very like.
So it's one of the volcano exploding first science kits. This is what it's called.
Mommy, don't.
Erupting
don't push
volcano
down.
workshop. No, I'm not. Sweetie, I'm
Crumple
just
this
showing
up
them what the box
into little
is.
pieces.
Oh, you get to do a crumply one now and see if it's different.
Look at some more.
Go for it. Okay, so crumple it up and see if it's any
No, we
different.
can't do it now. We can't do it right now.
Oh, I
We need
thought
the
Daddy
mixture.
just said to crumple it up. He didn't?
We need to do the mixture.
Oh, so you don't need to crumple it up, babe?
Mixture. Yes, you do.
Oh, wait, Aiden, I'm talking to Dada for 1 sec. Okay? Dada.
Yes. Well, I mean, it doesn't have to be crumpled up, but they suggested
But
doing
that's what it
one
said.
that's like a
Yeah.
ball,
Yeah,
and
let's
crumple it
try
up.
each of the different
Do you want
ones.
to put the 8 drops of lava foam in?
Yeah. 8 drops of lava.
Uh-huh.
This will come out pretty quick, so be careful. And count.
So,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Mm-hmm.
9 and 10. 9 and 10. 9 and
Okay,
10.
crumple that up in there. Crumply pieces. That's good, that's good.
Good. Okay, let it, because we got to put the liquid in now to see what happens.
The mixture. And then we need to like do that stuff. Yeah.
Break it up.
Are you recording this?
I am recording. What does it look like to you?
Oh yeah, let's see.
You can like, Mommy, put over.
I mean, you're blocking the camera. Watch.
Yeah.
Watch down
I
there.
want to pour it in.
Whoa! That one was even better, I think. You like that one
Not
better?
Because
It's a little bit slower.
it's a
Oh,
little
it
bit
is?
slower.
Oh, the first part, maybe I didn't catch on the other one as well. But look at that.
I think the foam might be thicker.
I think we should then dump a lot of the extra liquid in and just watch it go. Or dump some soda in and see what happens. No?
I think I should probably step out and let you guys.
Maybe Dada needs a break.